Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has classified VOO as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's review the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has shown natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 3.75%. This represents an average return of approximately 0.94% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the ETF's next direction, as it has the potential to move in either direction. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for an even stronger rate of increase. Should there be any pullback, support will now exist at the ceiling of the recently broken trend at $547.15. This level may provide a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, the next potential peak could be at $570.88, which may present a resistance that could be challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 7.48% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 2.29% to 6.93%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a projected change of 26.72% over the next year, with potential returns between 16.83% and 28.45%. This translates to a price range of $642.56 to $706.46 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price up nearly 0.5% on Friday. The VOO ETF price gained nearly 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, rising from $547.45 to $549.98. It has now gained for 4 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a small pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated nearly 0.6%, with a day low at $548.07 and a day high of $551.23. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 3 1/3% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume rose on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 925,000 more shares were traded than the previous day. Overall, 6 million shares changed hands for approximately $3.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $551.23, while the lowest was $399.14. Currently, the price is 0.23%, or $1.25, below the 52-week high of $551.23, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has reached a significant milestone, surpassing 6,000 points for the first time. This achievement is driven by a combination of factors, including Donald Trump's recent presidential victory and a supportive interest rate cut from the Federal Reserve. This historic climb has energized investor sentiment, with the index gaining approximately 0.6% on the day of the announcement. Such an upward movement in this benchmark can have a positive influence on the VOO exchange-traded fund, which tracks the S&P 500. In the wake of these developments, optimism is growing about future market performance, with analysts suggesting that the S&P 500 may continue to exhibit strong momentum into the year 2025. The market's ability to react positively to political outcomes and shifts in monetary policy signals the potential for sustained rallies, which can enhance the long-term value of exchange-traded funds like VOO. Notably, individual stocks within the S&P 500 are also reflecting this bullish trend, exemplified by firms like Axon Enterprise, which outperformed earnings expectations and boosted its revenue outlook. The strong overall performance of U.S. indices points to a favorable environment for equity investments, positioning VOO to benefit significantly in both the short and long term. As investor confidence grows, the underlying dynamics driving VOO may lead to continued appreciation in its stock price. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected from the levels at $534.61 and $530.98. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and so far it has risen by 10.74%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot has been established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged that may influence short-term developments. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 46 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 59 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 67 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 241 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $543.36, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $3.16 between its high and low, or 0.576%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the fund was 0.84%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume metrics to determine when to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $543.36. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $529.41, reflecting a decline of 3.74%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a buying signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 45 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several positive indicators. However, these alone do not warrant a buy recommendation at this time. Instead, it is advisable to consider VOO as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate VOO to open lower by 22 cents, starting at $549.76. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.